our UN performance on Cameroon. The activity really good and that's what we're teaching it.
Come on, you lot, this is a bit of a trial, not a knitting class. Would you stand? Whoa! I'm scared, Misty. There's no going back now. What's that? Something on the road.
I'm sorry, folks, but looks like we're experiencing a very serious oil leak, and it looks like we're going to have to land somewhere in the west coast of Africa to get it repaired. Thank you.
Bonjour! Welcome to Cameroon!
Here's our national flag. Why, I must say this is a very warm welcome. Esther. Yes, it is. But I believe you have a plane to fit. Oh, yes, sir. Right.
You need to write the flag down.
Yes, sir.
There are 19,554,604 people living in Cameroon.
609.
Oh, I think I better write that right down.
You need to write that down too.
Yes, sir.
Good news. I just fixed the fuel line. We'll be ready to continue on our journey. Bye-bye.
Au revoir.
See you.
This is for you, Miss Oates.
Hi, my name is Jacob, and this is our crew. From Maroon, now we got a rap for you.
We're up about a class and Mrs. Muchaway, but we're going to do it in a cool and fun way.
Stop going to week, and I'm gonna start this rap. I want a lot of cheers and I want a lot of claps.
I'm a name is Joe, and I'm Mr. Journey, but we ain't going to talk about Mr. McKinney.
It's all about the seniors, it's not about the juniors. Sorry to the juniors, it's just not for you. It's all about us. We're gonna have a blast. Talk about our class and what we all do. Start off with Susan. She sings all day. Zach loves my son. He loves to play.
This is Nico. He's the fastest of the bunch, but you better watch out. He might eat your lunch.
Jeremy is the leader, he's the captain of the house.
Georgia Betsy flexes just like elastic. She is the champion when it comes to gymnastics.
Gonna
Just that she's really good at painting. Jacob is a man when it comes to skin.
Well, no, he's like Kirby. He likes to shoot hoops. Polo loves lollies. He's got a sweet tooth.
Joe loves to sing. He's got a nice voice.
Mrs. Muggins has found us to make the right choice. Jimmy's really brainy. He's really, really smart. Then we have the Alsons at hardly ever part. What did we do? We got a head start because we give it out all. We got a lot of heart. Along comes Bryce. He loves to jump and play. Then we have Hipsy with cookies on a tray. Elixir loves to run life-saving, a Buffalo Motor training. Ruben loves skiing, a Buffalo Motor bathing.
Josh loves cars, he likes a good race. Willis loves fishing, he loves a good chase.
Galena